What are drive modes? Let's find out. So if you are in your F-150 Lobo and you have these drive modes, you take this dial, and if we come and look at our display right here, I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit. And as I move this dial over, you can move over to slippery. Now this is going to put you in 4 automatic and change everything so it's less torque. The four-wheel drive system's heightened a little bit. Then if we move it over one more, we can go over to off-road for rough, uneven mixed terrain. It's gonna put you into 4 high and lock up the rear differential. Normal just puts us into 2-wheel drive. Over into tow haul, that's gonna change your shift patterns. It's also gonna maybe just change the way the throttle response is, and the whole look of your display here. You can see where our tachometer is, and we can see our trailer information. We move over one more and we are into an eco mode. This is gonna basically scale everything back to make it as fuel efficient as possible, including some throttle and shift responses. And then one more over to the side. This is everybody's favorite, sport mode. So it's going to change the look of the aesthetic when we're in here, and it's going to change a few other things. So your shift patterns, your throttle response, even the sound of the exhaust changes a little bit when we're in sport mode. It also throws you into 4 automatic automatically, so you can launch a little bit harder. So that is our driving modes. Definitely a really cool feature. All right, if you want to see more content on the new F-150 Lobo, if you go ahead and click the link right here, that will give you a playlist with all kinds of videos that I've made for content on the new Lobo. Or if you want to see a longer video, if you go ahead and click right here, that's a video I made that's a little bit longer that gives even more information. Thanks for watching.